The DeLonghi Specialista Touch is DeLonghi's newest addition in their Specialista line of semi-automatic espresso machines. This machine, with its new touchscreen, allows you to grind, tamp, and brew with the use of their new Bean Adapt technology, which makes it simple to get dialed in within 5 minutes of starting up the machine. So starting out with the design of the machine, it has a very minimalistic screen here with no other buttons up front. The only other button on the entire machine is the power button right up top. It looks nice. It has a brushed nickel finish, and the portafilter here, the 51mm portafilter, has a nice textured ring on the end for some grip when you are getting that portafilter locked in. It's a little bit more minimalist than some of the other Specialista options out there. This one, which does not have a tamper built in, you use a tamper manually here. It's lacking that lever, but it gives it a clean look. And with the automatic steam one and the espresso cup riser here, you get a really nice looking machine that is easy to look at with nice finishes and looks great on your countertop. So one of the new features that DeLonghi has included in the Specialista Touch is what they call Bean Adapt technology. Now, as soon as you start the machine, you can either choose to use Bean Adapt or not. It's totally optional. So if you're already a pro barista at home, then you won't probably need that technology, but they do have it available whenever you need it from a touch of a button on the screen. What it is it basically walks through a few different questions. What type of beans do you have? What size basket are you using, whether it's the single basket or the double basket? And then it gets you to set your grinder and then pull a shot. And with that, what you'll get is feedback on that shot, so that it will suggest different suggestions like adding more coffee or changing the grind setting to get you to the ideal extraction right in that 25 to 30 second range at 9 bars of pressure. So it walks you through what's happening, what's going wrong with your shot. It can actually detect what is going on in the group head itself, and then basically tell you what you need to do next, that the dialing in process is simplified and a lot easier to do than without any guidance for sure. So another really nice feature that this machine has is the choice of manual or automatic milk steaming. So if you're using the manual milk steaming, you're just steaming it like a barista would with a professional espresso machine. There's no assistant, so you're gonna wanna stretch your milk manually. But if you want to have automatically frothed milk, what you do is you fill up your milk pitcher. There's a setting on here to adjust both temperature and the amount of froth, and it does this with a small tube that injects air into the milk rather than you doing it with your technique of milk steaming. And then it can get you all the way from very not frothed milk for if you just want basically hot milk, all the way up to cappuccino foam milk and even beyond. You can pretty much make a solid milk foam without any liquid milk with this automatic steamer. So it goes all the way from latte to cappuccino, no problem. And like I mentioned, it's totally optional. You can do it manually if you want to practice your latte art or what have you, but having the automatic option so you don't even have to touch it when it's steaming is really nice and easy. So DeLonghi has done a really great job with this new touchscreen on their machine, and it's really intuitive. It's very responsive for inputs, especially on a machine where there's steam and water and things like that. It's important for it to be responsive, even if there's some smudges or fingerprints on it, and this one does a good job. Just at the touch of a finger with the main menu here, you can adjust your bean adaptation, you can adjust your temperature, and then you can also adjust the pre-infusion time and dose time, which is the range for the grinding time itself. And then within each of the drink options you have here, which DeLonghi has included 9 options, and you can also include 9 more custom drink options. Then what you can see here is that you'll get a menu that it shows you all the different things. So this is your grinding, your brewing, and your steaming. And you can make adjustments to all of those individually. And if you have questions about the adjustments, you just click into the menu, choose your single or double basket. We're using a double basket. I'm gonna click into the info button, which gives you super helpful information about kind of how much ground coffee is going in. And alongside that, same thing with the amount of espresso. It gives you really great information on each of the screens. So every single screen really has a little info button as well as a save button to save any parameters that you have found to be good for you. Like you can do a 3-ounce shot instead of a 2-ounce shot of espresso, for example. You can save it right from the main screen and then it's easy and ready to go. So a really nice thing that the automatic steam one has is flexibility in how hot you want your milk and how much milk froth you want as well. So you click into the milk screen, I'm just using the hot milk option here, but basically you can take a look and see that there's 5 different temperatures, there's 5 different froth amounts, and then you can also select whether or not you are using dairy milk or plant milk, and the machine will adjust. Usually plant milk needs a little bit more aeration, so it probably adds a little bit more air and a little bit more steam so that it gets nice and frothy. Sometimes you have trouble frothing dairy or plant-based milk, and this will do an excellent job with it as we've tested. DeLonghi has really ensured that this machine, the Specialista Touch, is one that you can get up and running with even if you've never even brewed an espresso before. And we think that it's a really great option for beginners or even more experienced baristas that have more experience, just because it is so nice to work with and so easy to use. DeLonghi has included this pretty unique system as well, which is basically a dosing guide that also acts as the dosing funnel. So you put this onto the portafilter when you grind, and then this also holds the portafilter in place. And then when you're done grinding and you put your portafilter down onto the tamp mat, what you'll see is that there is some demarcations on the tamper itself that go from -2, -1, and then it says okay, +1 and +2. And that's basically saying if you're under or overdosing what they believe is the perfect amount for their portafilters. This uses a 51 millimeter portafilter, so it's a pretty small portafilter, so it's going to be pretty thick puck. But once you can tamp it and it gets right to the okay level, you're in a good place for tamping. So you don't even need to think about dosing or anything, because the machine is telling you exactly how much you're dosing. And if you overdose, there's a tool that they include that reduces the dose down to the okay level as well. So you're always getting a perfect shot. As far as cleaning the Specialista Touch, you are getting a machine that is really good at prompting you when things need to be cleaned via the screen here. The milk steaming wand, it cleans itself after you're done steaming. You just want to give it a wipe down every single time, as you would with any steam wand. But as soon as you turn it to the off position, it flushes out. So that's nice and clean. Anytime that the machine needs descaling or back flushing, it will tell you that on the screen. So it pretty much prompts you for everything. When the water tank's getting low, any problems that the machine is having, then it will prompt you, and it's super easy to get that fixed and get you back to brewing. The Specialista Touch is really a great machine for people who are looking to be able to manually adjust some parameters of their brewing, such as, you can manually steam for latte art, or you can change your dose or your grind size via the grind size adjustment here. But also if you're looking for, automation that makes it really easy with the Bean Adapt technology or with the automatic steam wand, you pretty much get the best of both worlds. You're getting easy to use functions like that steaming, but also it gives you the control to dial in temperature, your beans, things like that. If you want to stay in the loop on all things coffee, make sure to sign up for our email newsletter.
Tiny bit more. Perfect.